It's currently 5 o'clock on a Monday. Not normally I don't dash on Mondays, but I was able to sneak out of the house and we're gonna dash for dinner from 5 p.m. till about 8, and it's gonna give us a nice little head start on this week's challenge of $1,500 a week. Let's go. It's currently 5:28 and we haven't gotten any orders. Okay, we've gotten offers, but all of them have been garbage. I normally don't dash on Mondays, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect, but I wasn't expecting this. Technically, the map says it's busy. So we'll see. Guys, we finally have our first order from Silver Diner, showing 625. I think it's like 2.5 miles. You know what? It's an order. We're gonna go ahead and take it. So let's first order in the books, and then it being 725. So at least you know we have something in there because it's super slow. Currently 5:45 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna make my way back to the town center, and hopefully we'll see you guys. The order here finally from North Italia, showing 625, 2.7 miles. We're already here. I just parked. I'm gonna go see if it's ready. But man, I'm having app issues again. It keeps not updating my location, so it's super annoying having to manually, back up of the app, get back into the app, close the app again, open it up again. Anyways, hopefully the food's ready. We'll see you guys on the road. We just dropped off the latest order here. We're currently sitting at $17.50. So we'll see you guys at the next. I have the next order here from Total Wine. It was showing $11.25 and some change. It's already in the back seat. Anyways, we're about 5 minutes from the customer's house. I did want to share with you guys, I had an awesome video for Halloween, and then my dumbass was cleaning up some storage space on my phone that I used to record with, and I deleted about half of the video. It wouldn't make sense to upload it as it was, so I had to scrap it. So that was my fault. I know you guys would have enjoyed it. We did $244 on Halloween, but that was last week. This is this week, and we want to shoot for $1,500, and we're gonna make that happen starting today. Let's go. I have the order here from Total Wine, and then right away I got this order from Mellow Mushroom. Now Mellow Mushroom, I rarely go there. I don't want to say ever, rarely, mainly because they're really busy and they're really slow. At least the one in my area. And honestly, it's like overpriced pizza. But then again, I don't know. I've never had it. I've never had Mellow Mushroom pizza money, Like one pizza, it's like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, I think. Something that's, a little above my means, if you will. But anyways, it's showing 625, like a mile and a half, I think, if that. So we're going to hope that it's ready. It's only a few items. Right now, I just want to keep the ball rolling. After doing that drop off, we're currently sitting just shy of $30 at $28.75. I don't know. Maybe you'll make my goal 50. Maybe you can hit 50 bucks by 8 o'clock. Who knows? But we'll see you guys at the drop. Picked up the order, and the joke's on me. They didn't even order pizza. They ordered like hoagies. I didn't realize they sold hoagies. I'm gonna have to try one of them out. Anyways, about 2 minutes from the drop off, and it's technically right next to me, but the way the roads are set up, I have to go like around. It's no big deal really. So we should be able to do this order in less than 10 minutes all combined, meaning from the last drop off to the pickup to the next drop off. So hey, we'll take those orders all day. Just messed up, so I dropped it off, and I assumed there was a leave in my door, so I've arrived at the customer, and then I assumed it would say, complete the steps, but I hit it and it was basically saying I delivered it. So it must have said hand it to me and I just didn't see it. I wish there was a way to contact the customer afterwards. I mean, I left it on their doorstep, obviously, so hopefully they are smart enough to look outside and see their food there. But who knows? Maybe we get a contract violation. I don't know. Anyways, driving back to the town center. Currently 6:45 in the afternoon, and we're sitting at $36.73. So about 14 from 50. I think we could probably hit that. So next order here from the Bento House. I think it was showing 2.5 miles away, showing 625. So let's go. That being 825. So we're currently sitting at $44.98. So basically 45 or $5 away from our goal. So once we do one more order, pretty sure we're gonna get to 50. And I'm gonna play it by ear. It is 7-11. I was gonna say till 8. If it's busy past that, cool. If it's not, cool. Currently getting a bunch of 525s. Look at this one from Taco Bell. Taco Bell, man, I don't ever go there, much less for a 525 order. Even though it's not going very far, it's just not. Nah. If it was going maybe like 625, then I would do it. But for 5, we're gonna pass on it. We'll see you guys on the next order here. And yeah, you guessed it right, from McDonald's. The same one that told me to go do whatever I wanted when they refused to make an order that I had. Anyway, so we're showing 625, 2-point-something miles. And like always, they gave it to me after I passed the McDonald's. But as you can see, we're back here. So we're going to go ahead and get it picked up. We'll see you. Dropped off the latest order from McDonald's. Ended up being 725, which puts us at 52.23. So we crushed the goal. Okay, we didn't crush it, but we beat it. We beat the goal of $50 by 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. I'm gonna stay online for the next 15 minutes, and if I get another order, cool. And if I don't, we'll go ahead and call it a day. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next order here from North Italia, showing 1225, 5 items, 6.8 miles. So you know, it's not the greatest order to be honest, but you know, I said why not? You know, it's really slow. I keep getting nothing but like no tip orders. Once I saw this, I know for sure they at least tipped. I know the delivery time is kind of like late, 8:33. It's currently 7:45. The pickup time is in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out now. Maybe it's ready. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. See if it's picked up. Luckily, it was ready for us, so it was definitely a good move going in there 10 minutes before the pickup time. The food was ready, so now we have about a 15-minute drive, give or take. We'll see you at the drop off the order, man. I'm out here in the boonies. I don't like coming out here at night because of the deer that just cross on the road, but it was definitely worth it. It ended up being $22 or some change. So we're sitting at 74 with some change, like just shy of $75. So we have 12 minutes back to the town center. I'm gonna, you know, make it back. I'll give it a few minutes, and if we don't get any orders, we'll call it a day. Go back to the town center because where the last drop off left me, it's closer to go to the Wingstop. And Wingstop's pretty popping at nighttime. It's currently 8:18. I'm gonna give it till 8:45, and if I don't get an order by then, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. And if not, I'll just get Wingstop for dinner. But yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Order here from Ray's. Is it Ray? Yeah, Ray's Pizza or Rise Pizza. 625, less than a mile. I've never been here before, so we'll see how it goes. Definitely have to wait a little bit longer than I wanted to today, but you know what? They gave me a free pizza. I was like, hey man, I've never been here before. The guy said, hey, would you like a slice? I said, hey man, say no more. So definitely gonna try that out. Got me myself a free dinner. Now we're about 5 minutes away from the drop off because it was only like 1.5 miles away. So let's go. Order off here and it ended up being $6.75, which puts us at $81.19. Currently $8:48 at night, and I'm kind of tempted. I'm not gonna lie, just to stay out and see if we can hit 100 by 10. But man, the offers that I'm getting are so depressing. $4.75, $2.25, $3.75. All these, you know, super low offers. I'm gonna drive back to the same little center where I was at, which is where the Wingstop and the Rise Pizza place is at, because that place looks like it's pretty popular. And you know what? I might even have my slice of pizza. But if not, I mean, like I said, I'm playing everything by ear. Nothing is planned, you know. So if I can hit to 100, cool. If not, I'll let you guys know when we finish that. But we'll see you guys. Except to the next order here from Wingstop, showing 725. I think it's more like 4 miles, but I'm about a mile away from the Wingstop, so it's really about 3 miles. So hopefully it's ready, and even if it's not, I'll go ahead and eat my slice of pizza while I'm waiting. We'll see you guys. Dropped out the latest order from Wingstop. Ended up being $7.25, just like what was shown. Currently at $88.90, no, $88.44, almost $89. So I think we could hit $100 by 10 o'clock. We'll see. It's kind of slow right now. Obviously, it's pretty late at night. So I'll give it a few more minutes, and now we'll go ahead and call it a night. It's currently 9:25 at night. We finished at $88.44. And you know what? It was a pretty successful day overall, mainly because I wasn't really sure what to expect. I don't really dash on Mondays, so to me, it was pretty much a success. Almost $100. I honestly thought we were going to finish around maybe 60, 70. You know, bare minimum 50, which is, you know, that's why I made that my goal, because I was like, you know what, we gotta do at least $50. But anyways, you know, this gave us a nice little start for the week. Remember, the goal for the week is gonna be $1,500, so we're gonna make this happen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all be safe.